Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Axie Infinity.
Welcome back to Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Axie Infinity today. As you guys know, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and yeah, enjoy this video.
So as we can see here, it's got a huge market cap, but with this kind of market cap, it does not matter because as you can see with the volume here, it's just been increasing. We've got a $1.8 billion market cap in the last 24 hours. It's gone up 237% in the last 24 hours, just the volume. So indicates there could be a nice big pump for Axie Infinity very soon. As we can see from the daily chart here, it's just been going up. But obviously this is due to alt season. But if we look at the all-time high, we did break it 6 days ago when it was $164, and that was what we broke then. And now we're down to 151. So we could break that again soon. It might have just been a bit of a consolidation if we look at the 7-day chart. Yeah, it looks like it's just come down and then we've gone up for another leg up, and the same thing might repeat here.
Okay, so as you guys can see here, the Axie Infinity page is looking very nice. It's basically like a game. And if you want to get started, you can literally click Play Now at the top right, or you can just click Get It Started. Or if you want to view that white paper, you can click on the white paper button. And if you want to join their Discord, that's at the bottom right. They've kind of laid out their page quite nicely, and it's very easy to digress within their page. So as you guys can see here, it is going to be coming out soon. So it's going to be similar to cryptocurrencies like Mana or Decentraland, or even OVR, where you can actually buy land within the game. So that's going to be quite interesting when you can actually do that, because there's not many cryptocurrencies out there that have done this similar thing. So, for a cryptocurrency to do this, it is definitely a very nice thing they've added. And I do think that this is going to be the future, because it's going to be copying how metaverse are actually progressing right now. And if you've seen what metaverse have been doing, you will understand that it is going to be the future. And there has been some memes going around where if you die in the metaverse, you die in real life. I don't think that will be true. However, we'll see how it goes along. But yeah, it's definitely going to be an insane project once we do as time goes along and we see how it progresses. And yeah.
And as you can see here on the marketplace, just in the last 24 hours, they've done 101,687 sales with a volume of 5,981.8 Ethereum. So it's done with Ethereum. So you got to expect the fees with that, just like with NFTs. And I think this is the type of thing they're going for. This is kind of like NFTs in a way. You're buying this virtual land, like you'd be buying that virtual art, and then you let it build up and sell it for more. So I really think this could be the future. A lot of things are going with this. So $27 million in the past 24 hours has been used on Axie. So it is a very active marketplace. So it's just resellers selling to resellers to resellers, just like NFTs. But I don't think it'll be going anywhere because it does have real use case for people. If you look at their actual marketplace. So as you can see here, they've got a little bit of information on how much has been used on the Axie market, and that it actually has been used, and there's actual players with this. There's more than 250,000 daily active players, so that's huge. There's been 300 priced Ethereum Axie that was sold, so that's a huge amount of money there. And then we have 90,000 plus Ethereum has been traded on their in-house marketplace. So it just shows it really is being used, and it's only going up from here. From as we can see from the chart here, we're below our all-time high, which is always a good thing. And because we broke it recently, and there's a lot of hype going on with it right now, so it's all pretty positive with Axie Infinity right now. It could be a good buy time right now. Not financial advice, of course. Maybe wait for a dip if that does happen, since the market's literally just been pumping. As you can see, we're at $2.7 trillion global crypto market cap. So there could be a correction coming soon. I think there will be in the coming week, as it's just been up constantly for the past week. So we should be seeing some downside from here. But yeah, so that is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that red subscribe button and also press that like button. It really helps us out, and we really appreciate the growth we've been having recently. It's been really good. We've been getting a lot of views on our videos, more than usual. So yeah, we really thank you for that, and yeah, have a lovely rest of